Here you see another machine that I have, but which is electric, which is a surprise because I don't like, or I'm not really fond of the electric typewriters. I don't really mind the mechanical machines as much as the plastic 90s and 2000 models that they sell these days. Modern day typewriters are just not for me. I like the old stuff, the manual stuff, and I'll accept this, but if I don't buy them, really. The ones I have, I got for a donation, so I have 3 electric typewriters, of which one is a brother, which is not working. I got it for sale, it's very cheap. I got an Electra 120 and this one, and I'm actually considering selling this one because, you know, it's not my thing. I want to save the money for either my driver's license or another mechanical typewriter. Yeah, so I'll probably use this video for a for sale video, or I'll just make a new one. Anyway, the mechanics on this machine are very simple. The keys are electric, shift is electric, backspace is not. Margin release is not electric. And then the functions of the paper advance, not electric, margins are not electric. So it's the carriage return is electric on this model, but I know that the versions of a manual carriage return lever, which my Electra 120 has. So that was an option, and besides that, it's just mostly the keyboard that's electric. The engine is driven by a belt on this side, which you can see. Here, let me just turn it on for you, because see what happens. So, like I said, the keys are electric. I'm just gonna pop a piece of paper in so you can see. It's difficult to do with one hand. There we go. Okay. It's that's it. Like, the keys are electric, space, it's electric. The tabulator is not electric and it's not working. I don't know what's up with it. Just those spaces the carriage, one space at a time. The set and clear do work, but for some reason the tab itself doesn't work. So backspace does work. So anybody knows what's wrong with this? I don't know. Like, just let me know, because I don't know. This is the electric shift, which works fine. Paper support, margins, carriage release, paper advance, the lot. You know, it's a very basic machine. I was actually surprised to find that it doesn't have a, or it does. I don't know. Let's see. I actually think I just discovered the carriage lock. Yes, it has a carriage lock, and I just figured it out. Not that I need it though, because the case is missing of this machine. So, but anyway, I got it for a donation piece. So, you know, it's went underneath my desk and just left it there, and I don't really use it because the Coronet cassette is empty, or it's dried up. So I don't know if this machine has a color selector. I'm pretty sure it doesn't, just because it's a cassette. I like the old school twin spool ribbons, but this machine doesn't have that. And I know my supplier doesn't have, my Office Depot doesn't sell the Coronet cassettes, only the twin spools and the modern day typewriter cartridges that they use in those brothers and the plastic machines, which still use people here daily. Underneath here is the touch control. Here's the carbon paper copy set. How many carbons you put in, it goes up to 10. Power return. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This is Coronet Super 12, SCM Coronet. Bottom side is pretty basic. Oh, that's the touch control. There's a label. Wait, let me just turn this off because I don't want to ruin the platen. Looks like it's manufactured in, let's see, 76. Or at least that's what I'm gonna put down in the title of my YouTube video. Because, not that I can find the serial number, of course, I don't know where it's located. I haven't taken the time to see for it yet. Anyways, like I said, I'm not really fond of electric models, but I like the appearance, I like the looks of this. It's quite handsome. I like the brown keys. But I do indeed think about selling this quite soon. So, anyways, if you live nearby or you see this on my website and you know you're local, and you're interested, just give me an email or something like that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.